Hey YouTube, it's me again. Today I'm back with another video. So for today, we're going to be learning about solar panels, a renewable energy source that is currently rising in Malaysia. So on my way to meet my friend, he's very good about solar panels actually. So now we're going to meet him. So here's my friend. Hey. Yo, say hi. Hi. Okay, so let's set up so we can do the interview. Hello. I hope this is stable. Okay.
Okay. Perfect.
Excellent. Okay, so let's start off with some basic questions like what actually is solar energy?
Solar energy. Okay. As we know, solar energy is came from sunlight. Is radiant light and heat from the sun that harnesses using a range of ever evolving technologies such as solar panel. It can convert the sunlight to energy.
So, as I have heard before, this is a type of renewable energy, right?
Yes, it's type of renewable energy, and it's always have the energy that doesn't finish.
So what you're basically trying to say is like it always replenish itself. Yes.
Yes, replenish.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I have heard a lot of good things about solar energy and very few bad things. So can you name a few good things about solar energy?
The good things that the advantage of the solar energy is first, it is pollution free. Pollution free. There is no pollution if we use the energy, because not such as other energy. If you use them like fuel, it can cause air pollution. But solar energy, it is pollution free and causes no greenhouse gases to be emitted after installation.
That's actually good.
That is the first advantages. Again, the next one is reduce dependence on oil and fossil fuel. So we replace fossil fuel and foreign oil by using solar.
I see.
Yes.
So
I will give one more
okay.
One more the advantages. Okay, the advantages is virtually if you install a solar panel, it has no maintenance because it can last over 30 years.
Ooh,
Yes,
that's pretty long.
Yes.
Okay, so as I said before, the advantages. What about?
There will always be disadvantages.
There will also yes.
Okay, next.
So what are the examples of disadvantages of the solar energy?
The disadvantages of solar energy, as we know, it is high cost material and installation, because the material and installation is the material we say it's hard to find.
Oh, I see.
It's also hard to install, so it high cost for that. Okay.
So what you're trying to say is that only special people can install it. Only the experts.
Only the expert and rich person can afford it.
Oh, I see.
Okay, next the disadvantages is it also need lot of spaces, as efficiency is not 100% yet. It means that you like not only you only have one solar panel, that is also also enough for you. you must have like
A lot.
a lot of solar panel to make
Maximize its
to make
potential.
potential. Yes, that's
I
right.
see.
Okay, the next is
So that's why whenever I see a house that applies solar panels, they actually have like 2 or 3.
yes,
Oh.
less
Oh.
minimum, not they should have more than that to make efficient of
Make sure
energy.
it's efficient.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Okay, next is the disadvantages is there is no solar power at night, right? There is no sunlight.
Yes.
So we need
Yes, I was meaning to ask that. What do we do at night?
At night when you have solar panel, right?
Yes.
You must need a large battery large battery bank that can store
Oh.
energy at day to use at night.
Oh, so like they store first and then they use it later.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Okay, so can you tell me more about the development of solar panels or in general solar energy in Malaysia?
Okay. In Malaysia, there are like Malaysia's largest solar farm. That it was located at Kedah, Kuala Ketil. The solar farm was launched by Menteri Besar Kedah, Datuk Seri Mukhlis Mahathir on Sunday. The solar farm covering an area of 260 acres in Malaysia's first large scale solar farm, which
Oh,
was
that's
completed
actually-
its contract schedule.
So what about other countries?
Other
Can
countries?
you give me some example of other countries that apply solar energy in their country?
In the world rank for Malaysia for solar panel application, China is the top one ranking that use solar panel.
Really?
Yes. Then followed by United States and so on. I don't really remember.
What about Malaysia?
Malaysia didn't make it to top 10 rank.
Not even top 10?
Yes.
Oh, I see. So, I guess that's all, right?
No. I didn't tell you about the uses of the solar.
So, what are the uses of solar energy actually?
Solar energy has more uses and many uses. It can capture sunlight to create photovoltaic power, PV or concentrated solar power for solar users. The uses are solar electricity, like we use at house, buildings for electric current. Next is solar water heating for boiling water, like water heating. Basically, we use solar water heating at spa, at sauna, such as. Next is solar ventilation for air ventilation. But we normally people will use electric current for air ventilation. But we use solar ventilation to reduce the electricity energy uses. Okay, next is solar lightning.
Solar lighting.
Lighting, not lightning. Sorry. In China, they use pole lamp at lamp
Solar
road.
powered lamps.
Yes, solar powered lamps at road. Okay, next is portable solar, such as power bank solar or solar panel that can be used to bring anywhere we go, so we can use it easily.
So it's basically portable, as you
Yes,
say.
we can use it when we in the
Convenient
jungle.
lah.
Yes, convenient. Next is and maybe the last one is solar transportation, cars and motorcycle.
Really?
Yes, we use solar nowadays.
I see. I have never heard of that before, but now I know.
Hybrid car. We can use solar or oil.
Oh.
But usually if you use solar, it was much slower when than we use oil.
I see. So, from what I learned today, I guess solar energy is very eco-friendly.
Yes. It also save our environment because there was no pollution if we use it.
I see. Man, solar energy is actually good. I think I might look more into it.
So you might buy one.
Maybe
Some of it.
I'll think about it first, actually. I guess, thanks. Thanks for the interview, I guess. I guess I meet you next time.
Yes, I think.
So, goodbye.
From the discussion between Daniel and Irfan just before, we can conclude that solar energy has many advantages, disadvantages, and its uses. Scientists and engineers nowadays are more encouraged and into the solar energy technology because it is more greener and eco-friendly. It produces no pollution at all and save our non-renewable energy such as coal and oil for our next generation. We must be grateful and thankful to our Creator, Allah the Almighty, that create the sun, which make all the living thing in this universe to live. Lastly, make sure we use the solar energy wisely before it's run out. That's all from our groups. Hopes you enjoyed our video.